Hey everyone, I wanted to show you a free resource that you can use to help work on your note names, the letter names that is. And when you first log on to musictheory.net, I'll have a link on the page and also on our Bethel Music Facebook page and lots of different places. But when you first log on, we have to change the settings so that it works for what we need to do. So I'm going to tap the gear at the top right, and it comes up with a list of things. So the first thing I do is tap on clefs. I want to make sure that it says treble clef, which it does with the blue check mark, because we are only working on our treble clef note names right now. Then I go to the treble range. I can choose how high or low I can make my notes go. Now for us, we want to do the up arrow to move that to the first line right there on the bottom, and then I'm going to put my down arrow to move it to that line. So we're going to go from line to line, from the first line up to the fifth line. When yours looks like that, then we're going to move to positions. So you can learn just the space names, just the lines, or you can work on lines and spaces at the same time. I want to work on spaces today, so I only have to worry about 4 letters, F-A-C-E, face goes in a space. Then I go to key signatures. If I tap on that, I want to make sure that the very top is check marked. We aren't going to worry about flats or sharps today. Note names, we want it to say letters. When you click on that, it has a whole list of different possibilities. We want the very top one, just the letters. With my helpers, oh, this is cool. So let me show you what it looks like without the helpers. There's nothing on the sides there. But when I click helper, I can see it says face, F-A-C-E. So if you want a little help and you can't quite remember the different letters for the lines and spaces, then you can click helper on there. If you don't want it, turn it off. I'm going to keep it on for now. The last thing I want to show you are the last few things, I should say. Accidentals, we're going to turn those off. Note filter, we're going to turn those on and hit all. And I want you to unclick all of the flats on the left side and all of the sharps on the right side. We're going to just leave this intersection. And then everything else is fine. So when I hit back there, I only have to worry about the letters in the middle. I'm not going to worry about flats or sharps. So now I'm going to try and play my game. You can go as long as you want. You can even change it to doing a timer to see how many you can get through. But I'm just going to try and do maybe 10 or so. So I start and I look and I have my space notes. And I know face goes in a space. I have my little helpers there, F-A-C-E. And I see that note is where the E is. So I tap that and it's green. I got it right. I look and see F. I move on, A. Move on, E, and then I'm going to keep going. All right, F-A-R-A, F, let's do 4 more, A, F, A, last one, E. So if you see at the top, I got 100%, I got 10 out of 10. Now, I'm going to try it with taking my helpers off. I feel like maybe I can do it. And now they're gone, but I still know face goes in a space and I start at the bottom, F-A-C-E, and I see that's an A and I get it right. F-A-C-E, F-A-O. Now, if I accidentally get one wrong, oh, it turned red. And that's okay that it turned red. I'm going to try it again. F-A-C-O. See, if I mix it up and I go the wrong way, there we go. And then C, and I'll do one more, A. So this is just a really neat way. If you want to challenge yourself, you can show a timer. You can skip a question if you're not sure or show an answer. Once you're done, you can hit reset score and it'll start you all over again. So this is a really neat website and it's going to be posted, the link on our different pages, but I hope that you guys will try it out and challenge yourself, do spaces, do lines, do both. Try it with the helpers, try it without the helpers, and let me know. Maybe you want to see how many you can get done in a minute. You can email me or have your parents write it down on Facebook. I'd love to see how you guys are doing.